morning class, and today we will discuss the next exercise subjective question. And in a question number 2, they are asking to sum up two number 27 and the product of two number is 182, and we can assume two number. In the first number, let assume first number is x, and second we can assume 27 minus x, and these are the two numbers, and we will product of these two numbers is equal to 182, and we form the equation, and this will become minus 27x plus 182, and here is factor of this 182. The solution is this, and we do the factorization of these two, and 91, and this is 7, and we will sum of these is 27, 14 plus 13, and we can take 14 into 13, and sum of is these two, will have a two factor and we have the x key value 14 and 13. The answer is 14 and 13. Next question, and they are asking the two positive integer, consecutive positive integer. The first integer is assume x, and second integer is x plus 1. Because both of the integer are consecutive, then we can assume this, and the sum of whose square is 365. Again we will form the quadratic equation. We will solve this a plus b whole square, and it transfer to this, and then become 364, and this equation is divisible by 2. Then we have again the factor of 182, and the difference is 1. Then we can take x and two linear factor we have. This is equal to minus 14, and then we will not take because they are asking the positive integer, and from here the value of x is 13, and therefore 13, and again the next is, and here is this is 13 and this is 14. We have the solution of these two, and this question is related to the right angle triangle, and this is a right angle triangle, and this is hypotenuse is given 13, and we can assume, and this is base x, and this is hypotenuse is 7 minus x, because it's given that the altitude is 7 less than its base, and we will use the Pythagoras theorem, and that is x square plus x minus 7 square equal to 13 square. We can assume, also write, let assume base equal to x, and we will solve this. Transfer to this, divided by this equation by 2, and we will do the factor of 60, and that is difference of factor these is become 7, and we can 12 multiply 5, and also we write 12x plus 5x. We take x common from here and here from 5, and this will become and from here the value of x is equal to 12 and x equal to minus 5, and this will not consider, and because the length is should be positive, and therefore the base is 12 and then altitude is 7. So altitude is 5 because it is a 7 less from its base, and this is the solution of. And next question related to the pottery industry, and they asking to us here is the number of article produces produce in one day. We can assume x, and cost of each article, and they asking the three more, the twice of its article produced in one day, and this is the cost. This is the cost of one article, and this is the number of article, and we get total cost of each day, and here we can say product of these, and this is given in a question is equal to 90, and we have solved this, and this will become 2x square plus 3x equal to 90, and we shift it to this, and this is 2 or this 90, and this will become 180, and the factor of 180 is such a way that difference of there is plus 3, and then we can take 15 into 12, and we can write here the 15 become positive and 12 become negative, and we take x 2x plus 15, and we take from here minus 6 2x plus 15 and 2x plus 15, and here is x minus 6, and from here x equal to minus 15 upon 2. It is not possible because this is a number of article, it should be positive, and we can take here x equal to 6, and there is the correct answer, and the number of article is 6, and the cost of this article is 15 rupees, and put here is 6, 12 plus 3 15, and this is a 15 of each article cost, and the One article is, and this question is, and Johan and Janvi together have the number of marble is 45. And then we can write John have marble the X, and Janvi have the marble is 45 minus X, because together have is 45, the sum of both is 45. Then both of them lost the 5 marble each. Then after lost 5 marbles each, and then John have X minus 5, and Janvi have, and subtract it from here is 5, and this is 40 minus X. And now they have the product of this according to question. X minus 5 and 40 minus X is 124, and then we will do the product of these two equations. This is 40x, this is minus x square, this is 200, and this is plus 5x, and this will become to 124. Substitute the everything is this now, and this will become x square, and this will become minus 45, and this substitute to that, and this is 324 equal to 0. And we will do the factor of 324, and then the sum of these factor is minus 45, and this is 324. And we can from the this, and this is 36, and this is 9. 36 plus 9 is 45, and then we can write and we will take LCM from here is x, here is from 9, and the x is the value of the x is 36 or 9, and that says that if the John have is 36, then Janvi have 9. If Janvi have John have 9, then Janvi have 36, and the sum of this is 45, and after lost the 5, then it will become 31, and this will become is 4. 31 into 4 is will become 124.